Welcome to Martini Works Unboxed. I'm Dakota. 5th gen 4Runners were in production for 15 years. So that's insane. Anything you can do to your 4Runner to make it stand out against the other million on the road is a huge win. One of the best things you can do for your front end is to update the old peepers in the front bumper. Yep, I'm talking about headlights. Morimoto absolutely dominates the scene when it comes to lighting, so I'm here to unbox the XB Evo LED headlights and see what the hype is about, all right? These are actually going in my own personal 2021 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro, so I feel like a fat kid in a candy store, but in reality I'm a fat dude in a garage. This is the biggest headlight box I've ever seen. What kind of honkers they put in here. Ooh, what the hell is this? There's the plugs. So these plugs you can actually put in and change what the headlights do. So from amber to white headlights, you can change the startup animation that they have, or from sequential to like a fade. It's actually really neat and really easy. This stuff looks a little bit daunting, but I promise you it's not. Ooh. Oh yeah. First impressions, these are absolutely beautiful, and Morimoto does a fantastic job. For 4Runners especially, I feel like Morimoto is absolutely just running the game, all right? These guys have it on lock. So let's get to the nitty gritty and drop some of the stats that need to justify the $1,650 price tag that these come with. The actual eyeballs are by LED projectors with LEDs. These are completely road legal, but do have an optional supercharger driver that is extremely easy to plug in to give you the goddamn power of the sun. However, these are for off-road use only, so if you need to see across the planet for some reason, you can check out the super driver kit. All right, this is an insane feature, but they have a frost-free system. I've never heard of this shit before, but they can actually warm the surface of the lens to prevent frost and help with wet and snowy conditions, which is exactly what I need. Living in the big old mitten state of Wisconsin, kind of looks like a mitten, maybe that's more Michigan, I don't know. I live right by the Packers, and when I'm heading out to do some sturgeon spearing on Lake Winnebago, the last thing I want is my headlight frozen over, bud. Another super unique feature is the signal swap keys that I talked about earlier. They're right here. This allows your headlights to act like multiple different headlights. Want white lights? Swap the keys. Feeling like running amber lights? Swap the keys. Want to change your damn blinker from a fade to sequential? Swap the keys. Have a couple of bush lights with the boys? Put down the keys, all right? Don't drink and drive. Now, if all this isn't enough, Morimoto also offers a 5-year warranty on these, so if you have any issues, you know you'll be in good hands. So let's get these installed and take a look at them on the actual vehicle instead of trying to give our table a front end overdose. Is that the right word? Front end uplift, front end facelift. So the Morimoto headlights are in, and I've been driving with them for a couple of months now, so I could give you guys a review of what I thought. Installation honestly wasn't bad. It seemed a bit daunting since you had to take off part of the bumper in order to get them in, but it really wasn't bad. A couple hours in my garage, and a few brewskis later, they're in. And they look fantastic. The DRLs on here are actually really bright. I run them all the time. And then what I was nervous about too, I've had some aftermarket headlights in the past on my other vehicles, and the output of light was a lot less than my OEM headlights. That's not the case with these. These have fantastic light output. So whether I'm driving around with just the DRLs on, which I chose the amber, I just thought that looked cool, but you could choose the white, or running around with the low beams on, high beams, they look great, light up the road, look fantastic. Fitment is freaking perfect, and I have been complimented endless times on them already. So if you guys are interested, head on over to Martini Works, check out Morimoto headlights, and get a pair for yourself because they're top of the line. This is the bee's knees, the bee's eyes. Maybe the eyes, that would make more sense.